Good morning everybody, and welcome to Friday 24th April 2026, 20 minutes past 7 in the morning at Langebaan Lagoon. Starting out to be a wonderful Friday morning. Tide will be high at 9:30 this morning, on its way there, and then the tide will be low at 4 this afternoon. Looking forward to a stunning weekend at Langebaan. If you still don't know what to do, don't wait too long. Make your decision. Have a nice day everybody, and if all goes well, I'll be updating you again tomorrow morning. Have a nice Friday.